Hey, this is Brett Moore from Montevilla Sewing Centers in Portland, Oregon. I am right now at BERNINA University in New Orleans, Louisiana, and I'm here to talk to you about the new serger by BERNINA. This is a BERNINA serger called the BERNINA 660. Looks like just a normal serger, right? It looks like just any other serger you can find, but it's got some very key features that other machines don't have. So first of all, I can take off the serger catch. Now this has air threading at both threading loopers right here, and a light comes on right here to help me thread it so I can see the threading port. We have a speed control right here. This machine also has needle up, needle down. So the needle stops in the up position for me. I'm gonna use my knee lifter here. And the needle stops up for me if I wanted to. Now if I press on the back of the foot control and hold on to it, it now goes down into the lower. So I'll stop with the needle down. So I can have a choice of having it stop needle up or down. Also, the light is dimmable. So when I hit the light switch, I can actually make it less light if I want there to be less glare on my fabric. So I can make the light any dimness I want. It has a knee lift. Now this knee lift lifts my foot up, but the great thing is that when the foot comes up, the feed dogs drop. Now, the reason why I want to do that is so that when I am sewing off the fabric, I can lift up, feed dogs drop, and so my fabric can slide underneath really easily. It's really nice. There's so many great features on this machine. When I lift the foot up and I need to get in, I can pivot the foot out of the way and it pivots back really easily. One more feature that separates it from other machines. I'm gonna show you this right here. We have a width control here. Now, if you know, the stitch finger is the part that keeps your stitch flat on the edge of the fabric. I have a width control here that allows my knife and my stitch finger to move out in together, but then I also have a micro control here that allows my stitch finger to move on its own. So if I want the stitch up close to the edge of the fabric, I can make it close to the edge of the fabric, or if I want further away from the fabric, I can do that too. So there are so many great features on this machine. It makes it a nice, easy machine to operate and a lot of function in it.